So guys, we're picking ackee up in my yard back. Omar said that he wanted ackee and saltfish for breakfast. I want ackee and corn pork. So we're picking the ackee now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing barbecued pigtail. This is the first time I will be trying this dish. However, I've already ate it and I loved it. Like, I love pigtail, so I'm going to try this barbecue. So you guys just stick around to see how I do this. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button on your screen. Also, if you see that the subscribe button is red, that means you have not yet subscribed. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn it gray. And if you're a long-time subscriber of mine, welcome. Thank you for being here again. So as you can see, I have my pigtail right here soaking in some water, and I'm just going to cover this, put it on the stove so it can be a little bit more tender. So I'm going to be pressuring my pigtail. So you guys stick around to see the finished products are midway through. So I'll be doing this with some cheesy fries. So you guys, let your mouth water a bit. All right, so guys, right here I have my barbecue sauce that I'm going to put over my pig's tail, and this is some pepper jelly, some strawberry jam, barbecue sauce, and some garlic powder. So I'll show you my pig's tail right now. My pig's tail has the pressure to the way that I want it, and it is looking great. I don't want it too soft because me love through my bones, so I pressure it to my desired softness or tenderness. So now I'm going to add my sauce, and you guys will see that update. So guys, my pig's tail, they're looking so beautiful. I can't wait to bite into this with my cheesy fries. Of course, you know, cheesy fries, cheese, bacon, green onions, and whatever else you want to put on your cheesy fries is up to you. But those are my ingredients that I'll be using today. So stay tuned. So my pig's tail is almost finished. So I have my stove on broil option instead of the bake because I want to make my meat crispy. So check back in a few. So guys, we're picking ackee up in my yard back. Omar said that he wanted ackee and saltfish for breakfast. I want ackee and corn pork. So we're picking the ackee now. So we have some soursop on the tree that soon, you know, so ready for picking. So we have some breadfruit on the tree. They're still pretty young, so they're not ready as yet. I have guinea tree, I have coconut tree, I have apple tree, that's the Jamaican apple, O2ET, and I have nesberry tree. We had back festive, you know, people. I'm very, very festive. We had back my have. They have pumpkins. I have banana trees. I have sweet potato. I have pepper. I have sweet pepper. I have okra. People may have guava tree. Me had back festive bad. My apple tree. I have jackfruit tree. I have mango tree. People, if me tell them other things in me have back. I have ribena tree, I have aloe vera plant, I have lime tree, I have passion fruit tree, I have pine, I don't have any pine. Oh, I have pine as well. So guys, see, we have a lot of ackee. I didn't expect to get so much, but one thing. We're on the yard back here, so you see if you follow it, mosquito dry, well, like, it look like I have the mosquito pen as well. Babes, what about those? Yeah, I can't know. You see, that's why I stay to the yard back in the people. You see that big green lizard right there, so? Between the branches. And me afraid that lizard bad. So see, I have this really huge pumpkin right here. I don't know where it is spreading to, but some stuff start eat down the pumpkin. See? Some caterpillars. See, over here I have my okra right there. Over here now I have my peppers and the pumpkin. So the sweet potato leaves, all the sweet potato leaves has been eaten by I don't know what. I guess the same caterpillar. See, my jackfruit tree well festive. If only some of these jackfruit could like bear and then you could eat them, but when they start a big, they always start to rot. I don't know why. One of the best tree ever, star apple. My mom loved this fruit. I have an next pumpkin right there, and this is my guava tree. Like guys, I've been making a lot of guava juice. I haven't shown you guys all of that, but I've been making a lot of guava juices, guava mixed with passion fruit, and I've also been making a lot of soursop juice. I did share one of my soursop video with you guys, but it's soursop time, and I've been getting soursop galore from the backyard and also my neighbor's yard, because guess what people nobody no live over there, so I have to be, you know, taking care of his yard for him. Can't let the stuff spoil, right? So I'm going to make some more guava juice. I think I'll show you guys me making a guava juice this time. Here is my ripe bean tree. There is one of the guinea tree. Right there, I've been cleaning out up there because I want to plant some corns and some peas and all of those stuff. So I've been cleaning out all of that part right there. So the yard back is quite big and festive. See over my neighbor yard there, people seem to have some soursop on the tree as well. So I soon go start it out for him. See him have Ackee open up on the tree, so I soon go sort that out for him as well. So guys, see I have my flour right here, and I add my cornmeal and my salt to my flour. This is not a video about the food that I'm going to cook, so you guys won't really see that. When I'm cooking the food, you probably see when it's finished. So just to show you how I like do my thing. This is just a breakfast on a Saturday morning. So guys, pigtail is finished and I've cut them up and, you know, put my little season on it for decor purposes. But guys, this is so nice, bro. You need to taste this. You need to try doing barbecue pigtail. Like, it is a whole other vibe. Like, yeah, y'all need to try this.